This is my old shower arm, and this is a nice brand new one. Stick around and I'll show you how to replace a shower arm. Hey guys, welcome to Daddicated. My name's Andy. I like to fix stuff, build stuff, and remodel stuff on this channel. If you enjoy this type of content, hit that subscribe button and let's begin. First, you will need to remove your shower head or your handheld shower head. As you can see, mine's completely broke off, so I'll be installing a new one in another video. To remove the shower head, you will need to use some channel locks to get it loosened. If it's not stuck like mine, you may want to attempt to remove it by hand first. As you can see, my shower arm has very little threads and needs to be replaced. Second, remove the cap and use a flathead screwdriver to remove the old grout. I ended up breaking it into smaller pieces and pushing it inside through the wall. Step 3, take the channel locks and unscrew the shower head counterclockwise. Towards the end, I ended up using a screwdriver to create some leverage to remove it instead of using my hand. As you can see, mine got damaged, so I had to investigate it and make sure there weren't anything else in the threads. I ended up having some small piece left over in the thread. Thankfully, I was able to use some needle nose pliers and pull out the remains. I also pulled out the old Teflon tape as well. I inspected the threads again and they looked like they weren't damaged, and I was good to continue. When installing the new shower arm, you will want to use a longer version of the arm that will go into the wall. You will need to apply some Teflon tape in a clockwise rotation about 3 to 4 rounds, so it will look like this. Next, screw in the new shower arm clockwise. Then, I installed the new shower head and ran the water to make sure I didn't see any leaks in the wall, especially since my old one gave me some trouble removing it. Next, I put a small piece of wood so that the shower arm doesn't bounce and took some Quickie Seal waterproofing adhesive caulk, fill in the hole. I'll have the links in the description below. Then, place the cap back on and you're all set. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.